guys, this is RuneScape Help here, bringing you the loyalty program batch 3. So today, 6th of December, Jagex released it, batch 3. There are new auras in the tier 4 Aegis, which is 84,000 points, ridiculous, but it reduces the damage you take based upon your defense level. And this lasts for 30 minutes, and it stacks with armor and everything else. The second one is Salvation Corruption Auras, which will give you a angelic and demonic wings to your character, and both offer increased prayer EXP and means of prayer point recovery. And the next one is the Ancestor Spirits Aura. Gives you a chance that when you are stuck in combat, the ghostly forms of your forebears will return to wreak vengeance upon your assailant with a relationary attack, and it works in PvP and PvM. The Dark Magic is add an additional damage over time effect to any direct damage spell, magic damage spells. This works in PvP and PvM. Okay, the next one is the Berserker Aura, giving you attack and strike boosts in a short time, and the Regeneration Aura, which increases your life point generations. The new one for skillers are the Green Finger Auras, which is for farmers. It prevents crops from being diseased and gives a percentage chance for increased crop yield. The new aura for hunters is the Tracker Aura. It increases the chance of successfully trapping targets. There are 8 new emotes added to the new shop. Evil Laugh, that's awesome, and then Volcano, there must be epic. So the next one, new outfits: Colonist, Aztec, Musketeer and Highlander. New titles: Prince, Princess, Archon and the Awesome. And there are new recoloring also available. Improvements: now they have added money pouch and tool belt, so basically you can store your money in the money pouch and you won't lose it upon that, except if you die in the wilderness. And then the tool belt, you can add any tools to it, but in pickaxes and hatchets you can only add the bronze ones. And then the best of all, they gave 30 extra bank spaces for members. Oh, thank you, Jagex. And then the Thanksgiving event is over, and the Polypore Dungeon armor is now last 3 times longer, but they reduced the slash defense of the Ganodermic Poncho. And also the staff and the stick had their melee stats removed, so they no longer have an attack requirement. Okay, be right back in game, showing you some stuff. So here we go. The money pouch basically stores your money away. When you withdraw it from the bank, it will go into the money pouch, so not the inventory but the money pouch. And then the tool belt, interesting one. So basically it holds every single tool you can get. I already put the hammer and the saw and the tinderbox in, so you can add things by right clicking them and add the tool belt, like so. And then it will be in the tool belt, like so. Add. You can even add the treasure trail stuff like watch, chart and sextant, so you don't have to waste inventory space with them anymore. Oh, you can't add the sextant. You can add so this one is used for farming. You can add chisel, pestle, mortar. You can add many things. The pickaxe, only a bronze one. Bronze hatchet. Shears and nose wand. Fishing, crayfish cage, fishing rod, small fishing net, big fishing net, fly fishing rod, harpoon, lobster pot and barbarian rod. So you don't have to waste spaces with these anymore. You can just add it. The needle, glass bowing pipe, all the molds. So it just keeps everything tidy and don't have to waste your inventory space anymore. And now for the shop. As you can see, there are new emotes and new auras. The new auras cost a lot, 4,000 each or more, 4,500 as you can see, 50,000, and then the Aegis, which is 84,000, costs a lot. As you can see, I only have 9,350, so I'm going to buy an emote. The new ones are the Volcano, the Scream, Infernal Power, Tornado, Divine Power, and there's Your Dad, this new one from Dominion Tower, I think. So I'm going to buy Volcano. Yes. Okay, so let's see how this looks. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? It should be... Oh man, where it is? Ah, there is it. So, oh man, that's just awesome. Oh, that is awesome. Look at it. Very nice, very nice. So be right back. As you can see, these guys have the wings, which are oh my god, just look at them, really nice. And then those googles, I will get them in a minute. Be right back.